Hi children, take your grammar book, open the book page number 41. Now we are going to learn the topic simple present tense. Verbs, simple present tense. Verbs are accent words. Yes, verbs are accent words. Sit, stand, walk, that also accent words. The tenses of verbs show the time of accents. அந்த வேர்பை அந்த டயத்துக்கு ஏற்றாப்ப அந்த செயலை செய்ய வைக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது டென்சஸ். வேர்ப்ஸ் இன் த ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் டு டாக் அபவுட் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் த ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் பீயிங் இன் த ப்ரெசன்ட். த ஒரு வேர்டை கன்வே பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு வேர்பு எப்பயுமே என்னது தேவை. ஒரு சென்டென்ஸை கன்வே பண்ணுறதுக்கு வேர்ப் தேவை. ஓகே, நீட் ஃபார் வேர்ப். Simple present tense is one of the four present tenses. Okay, simple present tense is one of the four present tenses. Present tense la first one da enadhu simple present. Next present continuous, next present perfect tense, next present perfect continuous. Okay, now we are going to learn only present, simple present only. Read the following. All the verbs are in the simple present tense. I am Akhil. I go to Greenwood School. I live in a flat with my family. Am, go, live, that also simple present tense. See here, he, works, is, takes, cooks, helps, goes, is, go, love, that also. Here having the bold letters or bold words also simple present tense. Simple present tense tell us person or things does, person or thing is, person or thing possesses or owns. That is a simple present tense used to talk about habit, repeated action, general truth. Okay. Plural noun means verb only. Stars, that is a plural, so verb only write it. Next singular noun, a star, that is a singular noun, singular, so verb plus s. Here having the some pronoun I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Here having the 7 pronouns I, we, you, they, that also single plural, verb only. He, she, it, that also singular, verb plus s, verb plus s. Plays, play. Underline the right word. First one, cats dash fish. Eat or eats, here plural noun, so eat. My mother dash vegetables in the garden. My mother, that is a singular noun, so grows. I dash my bike every day. Ride or rides, that is a plural noun, so ride. Next, water dash to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Turn or turns, turns, that is a singular noun, so turns. A policeman dash thieves. Catch or catchers, catchers, that is a singular noun. Nina and milk before going to bed. Drink or drinks, that is a Nina, that is a C, so plural, that is a singular noun, so you tick the drinks. Next 7th one, parents dash their children. Love or loves, that is a parents, that is a plural noun, so love. Go to next page. He dash his hair with shampoo every week. wash or washes. Here he is the singular noun, so washes, verb plus yes. Our neighbors does us often visit or visitors. See here, that is a plural form, so visit. Flowers does nice, smell or smells. See here, that is a plural form, so smell. The next be form verb, okay. Am, is, are also be form verb, simple present tense. Next have, has, are have form verb, simple present. Choose the word given to fill in the blanks. First one, a rainbow dash very beautiful. It dash 7 colors. A rainbow dash when sunlight hits raindrops. The different colors in the light dash and we dash them in the form of a rainbow in the sky. Here having some keywords: appears, separate, see, has, is. A rainbow is very beautiful. It means which one? Yes, has. It has 7 colors. A rainbow dash when sunlight hits raindrop. Appears. Next, the different colors in the light and separate. And we see them. See them in the form of a rainbow in the sky. Next one, owl dash birds. They dash large eyes and a flat face. They dash during the day and dash during the night. They dash their powerful beaks and claws to catch and eat their food. Sleep, have, use, hunt, are. Owls are birds. Next, they dash large eyes and have. They have. They dash during the day. Sleep, have, use, hunt, are. Which one, ma? Anybody guess it? They sleep. அவள் என்ன செய்யும்? டேலெல்லாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? பகல்லாம் நல்லா தூங்கும். நைட்டில் தான் என்ன பண்ணும்? ஹண்ட், வேட்டையாடும். அது தனக்கு தேவையான இணையை எப்போ போய் தேடும்னா நைட் டயத்தில் தான் தேடும். தே டேஸ் தர், தே யூஸ் தர் பவர்ஃபுல் பீக். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், I dash 3 pets. My dog dash with me. It dash our home. My cat dash soft fur. It dash milk my parrot. Dash green. I dash it in the cage. It dash what I say. I dash all my pet. I have 3 pets. I place. I gods. Gods. I god. It gods. It gods means பாதுகாக்கிறது. Our home. My car dash soft fur. My cat has soft fur. It drinks. My parrot is green. I dash it in cage. I keep it it in cage. It does what I say. It repeats. I dash all my pets. I love all my pets. Okay, thank you.